Have you ever wondered how our early ancestors managed to survive in a world so harsh, so unforgiving? The answer lies not just in their physical adaptability, but in their mental agility. Yes, our ancestors were not just survivors, they were thinkers, innovators, and creators. The proof? It's etched in stone, quite literally. Around 3.3 million years ago, early humans started crafting tools, the earliest evidence of their intelligence. These weren't just rudimentary implements. Each tool was a testament to their understanding of cause and effect, their ability to manipulate their environment, and their capacity to plan ahead. Consider this. They had to identify suitable raw materials like flint or obsidian, understand how to shape these materials into a tool that could be used for specific tasks, and foresee the need for such a tool in the future. This wasn't merely about survival. This was about foresight, planning, and problem-solving, skills that we value even today. These tools, these primitive inventions, were more than just artifacts. They were the earliest symbols of human ingenuity. Each chipped stone, each honed edge, each carefully crafted tool was a testament to the intellectual prowess of early humans. They were the tangible proof of their ability to innovate, to think, to plan. But it wasn't just about making tools, it was about using them effectively. Early humans had to understand the best ways to use these tools to leverage their potential to the fullest. They had to experiment, learn, adapt. And in doing so, they laid the foundations for the technological advancements we enjoy today. So the next time you use a tool, be it a simple hammer or a complex machine, remember this: you're not just using an instrument, you are partaking in a legacy of ingenuity, a legacy that began millions of years ago in the hands of our early ancestors. These tools are more than just instruments for survival, they are the earliest symbols of human ingenuity. As our ancestors evolved, so did their brains, growing larger and more complex. This wasn't just a matter of physical growth, but also of intricate development, a cognitive leap that would shape the course of human history. Take, for instance, the enlargement of the neocortex. This portion of the brain, responsible for higher-order functions like spatial reasoning, conscious thought, and language, underwent significant expansion in early humans. It's like having a supercomputer in your head, processing information at an astonishing speed and capacity. This wasn't just about survival anymore, it was about perception, understanding, and communication. But the evolution didn't stop there. Tucked within this burgeoning neocortex were special neurons known as von Economo neurons. Named after the scientist who discovered them, these neurons are associated with social intelligence. What does this mean, you ask? Well, it suggests that early humans had the ability to sense and understand the mental states of others, a trait we now refer to as theory of mind. Imagine the profound impact this must have had on their social interactions. For the first time, early humans could empathize with one another, understand each other's thoughts and feelings, and build complex social networks. This was a game changer. It allowed them to cooperate, share knowledge, and work towards common goals. In other words, it set the stage for the development of human societies as we know them today. What's more, these developments likely played a significant role in the emergence of language. With an expanded neocortex and von Economo neurons firing away, early humans were primed to develop and use complex forms of communication. This would have made it easier for them to share ideas, express emotions, and pass knowledge onto future generations. The evolution of our brains marked a significant leap in our intellectual journey, allowing early humans to empathize and understand each other in ways previously unimaginable. This leap of logic, this evolutionary marvel, is a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind. It's a story of how we, as a species, have evolved to think, to feel, to communicate, and ultimately to understand the world around us. Our early ancestors looked up at the night sky and saw a canvas filled with celestial bodies telling stories of their own. Their world was not confined to the immediate, tangible environment around them. It extended beyond the treetops, over the mountains, and into the vast, mysterious expanse of the cosmos. Imagine the awe and wonder they must have felt as they observed the night sky, the dance of the stars, the moon's phases, and the occasional meteor shower. These were not mere spectacles for them. They were phenomena begging to be understood. The movements of celestial bodies followed patterns, rhythms that echoed the cycles of life on Earth. The changing seasons, the migration of animals, the ebb and flow of tides. Early humans may not have understood the cosmos as we do today with our knowledge of galaxies, black holes, and dark matter. They didn't have telescopes or satellites to probe the mysteries of space, but they had their senses, their intelligence, and above all, their curiosity. They observed, they interpreted, and in doing so, they laid the groundwork for future generations. They saw the cosmos in stone, etched in the patterns of their tools and art. The alignments of their megalithic structures suggest an awareness of astronomical phenomena. They tracked the solstices and equinoxes, critical markers of time that dictated their hunting and gathering activities. These early efforts to understand celestial patterns were the precursors to our modern fields of astronomy and cosmology. In their quest to understand the cosmos, early humans demonstrated a trait that is fundamentally human: curiosity. This curiosity drove them to observe, to question, to seek patterns. It pushed them to venture beyond the immediate, to explore the unknown, to imagine possibilities. It led them to look up at the night sky and see more than just points of light. They saw a cosmos filled with stories, mysteries, and opportunities. The cosmos in stone is a testament to our ancestors' curiosity and their desire to understand the world beyond their immediate surroundings. It is a testament to the intellectual odyssey they embarked upon, an odyssey that continues to this day as we explore the universe and seek answers to the biggest questions of existence. The legacy of early human intelligence lies not in the answers they found, but in the questions they dared to ask. Our ancient ancestors, those early humans who roamed the earth millions of years ago, were not just about the business of survival. They were also about the business of discovery. They possessed an insatiable curiosity about the world around them, a curiosity that was driven by a need to understand, to make sense of the patterns they observed in nature. Imagine, if you will, an early human encountering a phenomenon for the first time: the migration of birds, the changing of seasons, the ebb and flow of tides. These were not mere events to be observed, they were puzzles to be solved, mysteries to be unraveled. And it was this curiosity, this relentless drive to understand, that set humanity on a path of discovery. This curiosity was not without its rewards. It allowed early humans to predict, to plan, to prepare. They began to understand the rhythm of nature, the cycles of life. They learned when to hunt, when to gather, when to move to new territories. They began to manipulate their environment, to shape it to their needs. But more than that, curiosity propelled early humans towards innovation. They began to experiment, to invent, to create. They fashioned tools, developed languages, built societies. They began to dream, to imagine, to aspire. And so the legacy of early human curiosity is not just about survival or even about understanding. It is about the very essence of being human, the ability to question, to dream, to aspire, the ability to look at the world and not just see what is, but what could be. The legacy of early human curiosity is not something that belongs to the past. It is something that is alive and vibrant, something that continues to shape our world today. It is a legacy that continues to inspire us, to drive us forward, to push us to new frontiers. The legacy of early human curiosity continues to inspire us, reminding us that the journey of discovery is never-ending. The intellectual journey of early humans has been a fascinating exploration, a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. From the dawn of their ingenuity, etched in the stone tools they crafted, to the leap of logic, evidenced by the growth and sophistication of their brains, early humans were innovators and thinkers. They gazed at the cosmos, seeking patterns and stories in the stars, laying the groundwork for future generations. Their true legacy, however, lies not in the answers they found, but in the questions they dared to ask.